welcome to Vegas. DNVR is here for the NHL Draft, but we are here a night early because the NHL Awards are tonight. Nathan MacKinnon, Cale, Makar could be winning awards tonight, so that's why we're here. Going back up, gonna watch the awards, and then if Nate and Cale win, they'll come backstage and we'll get to talk to them.
Six, 5, 4, 3.
This is the 2024 NHL Awards. Now please welcome Bishop Briggs.
The winner of the heart is...
Let's go, Connor! Let's go,
hope you have a second speech, Nathan MacKinnon.
Nathan MacKinnon wins his first Hart Trophy, 10 years after claiming the Calder Trophy.
Yeah, thank you, appreciate it.
What does this mean to have those two trophies with your name on them?
Yeah, it's really cool. I honestly never thought I'd win these, so very special. Like I said in my speech, like just every player I grew up idolizing has their name on these things. So to be a part of that company is surreal. It hasn't really sunk in, and you know, it's definitely a special thing. You know, all the boys helped me a lot, and definitely so many people to thank. But it's definitely cool to be a part. I know it's an individual award, but you do feel you're kind of connected to these all-time greats. So really cool. Thank you.
And that is, I was not expecting the sun to be out. Nathan MacKinnon, winner of the Ted Lindsay Award, winner of the Hart Memorial Trophy. Cale Makar did not win Defenseman of the Year, finished third actually, but that's it. That's it for the NHL Awards. Tomorrow, NHL Draft, day 1 from the Sphere. I think I'm more excited for the Sphere than the draft, to be honest. Welcome inside the Sphere. Level 5, this is the media workroom. This is where all the interviews are gonna be after they're picked. This isn't like the Sphere. I wanna go inside the Sphere. Megan, do you know how to get in the Sphere?
We're at the core, but
Yes,
you don't see the sphere shape.
We're closer, I know.
The San Jose Sharks are very proud to select from Boston University,
The first selection of the first round.
The Montreal Canadiens are proud to select Ivan Bennett.
Okay, so this is kind of a funny and weird little bit of behind the scenes stuff, but Gary Bettman goes on stage, announces who is on the clock, and then just kind of hangs out on stage until the pick is made.
The 24th selection in the 2024 NHL Draft belongs to the Colorado Avalanche. pick number 24 in this year's draft to Utah for picks number 38 and 71 in this year's draft, and the New York Rangers' second-round pick in 2025, which was previously acquired by Utah.
You know, some guys we certainly like there. It's pick 24. There's some good hockey players, but there's still a lot of good hockey players on the board. So hopefully we'll find one at 38.
All right, flew out to Vegas for the first round of the NHL Draft, and the Colorado Avalanche traded away their first-round pick. So should be a busier day tomorrow for us. As for the Sphere, I mean, like, it is genuinely impossible to show you how large the screen is because I don't have a lens big enough or wide enough to show you. But like I said, done with day one, done with round one. Oh, I just can't wait to be back here at 8:30 a.m. because they're broadcasting on East Coast time, of course. So, 8:30 a.m., that's when I'll be here. Day 2 of the NHL Draft, bright and early. I just hope that the Colorado Avalanche make a pick today. And the best thing about day 2 is the picks just go. Yesterday, the picks took forever. Now they're just rolling through them. So let's see what the Avs do.
The 6th pick in the second round, the Colorado Avalanche has selected Ilya Nabokov from Magnitogorsk, Russia.
Go ahead, Colorado.
Colorado is proud to select from Youngstown USHL, Torrey Pittner.
Colorado selects Torrey Pittner from Youngstown of the USHL.
I've been to Colorado once, and so not just it's beautiful there, but all the players. I like the franchise a lot. I've always been a fan of them, so it's a dream come true.
I love Colorado. I think they're a winning team. That's the best part about hockey, is winning hockey games. So when you get to be a part of an organization that does a lot of winning, it's pretty special.
You know, they have a lot of good players and a lot of success the past year. So no, it's unreal just being drafted by an organization like this. It's just unreal.
Remember me out there.
All right, draft is over. We were literally told we have like 15 minutes to clear the floor. Like, we gotta go. Sphere lived up to the hype. So cool. It's gonna suck that they're not gonna do any more in-person drafts, especially not here. What do you think of the Sphere, dude?
Unreal. I went upstairs. It was